Hello, this is Chapter 1, Section 8, the distance formula and the midpoint formula. What's going to happen is if you have 2 points, what you're trying to do is find the distance between those 2 points. And the first point might be labeled x1, y1, and the second point is x2, y2. And you're going to find the midpoint, you're going to add these two and then divide it by 2. And to find the distance, you're going to take the square root of these two, and you'll start with x2, take away your x1, usually. So the formula here is going to be x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 squared. Both of these are squared. All right, so, and then the midpoint is x1 plus x2 all over 2, and y1 plus y2 all over 2. So find the midpoint of these 2 points right here. So I'm going to label this x1, y1 for my first x and my first y. And then here's my second point. So I'm going to label this one x2, comma, y2. So to find the midpoint of this, I'm going to use this formula. So x1 is 8 minus x2, plus x2, which is a negative 6 all over 2. And then to find this one is y1, which is 9, plus my y2, which is a negative 3 all over 2. 8 take away 6 is 2. All over 2 is equal to 1. And 9 take away 3 is 6. All over 2 is 3. So the middle of these 2 points is going to be located at 1, comma 3. So I'd go over 1 and up 3. Then to find the distance, let's find the distance also. This is the midpoint. And then to find the distance, again, the formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So x2 in this problem is going to be a negative 6 minus 8 squared. This is all under the square root, plus y2, which is a negative 3, minus my y1, which is 9 squared. So minus 6 minus 8 is going to give me a minus 14. And then when I square it, it's going to give me 196 plus negative 3 with a negative 9 is going to give me a negative 12. And then when I square it, I'm going to get 144. And if I add these two together, 10 carry my 1, 5, 9 is 14, carry my 1, so 340. So square root of 340.